Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In today's episode, we will be learning how to easily change your language setting in CoinGecko application using your Android or iOS device. To change language in CoinGecko app, open the CoinGecko application on your smartphone and log in. From the homepage of CoinGecko, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner to open up your profile section. Now, from the profile section, scroll down and look for a language and tap on it. And from the language options available, select a different language you want to change to. Soon after you do that, you will see the change immediately. You have successfully reloaded the page in the selected language. CoinGecko supports multiple global languages, but availability may vary by region. Changing the language in CoinGecko is quick and help you understand crypto data more clearly. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.